All right, today I'm going to be teaching JUnit. I need to share my screen. All right, so JUnit, what is it? It is an open source framework for writing and running tests on programs. It is used to test code created by developers. It not only tests if the code compiles correctly, but it also tests the functionality of the program. There are a lot of features. I have a few mentioned here. It provides annotations to identify test methods, provides assertions for testing expected results, and it also provides test runners. And here's some common imports for JUnit. Top one is the most important. If you have that, you have to have that in your code if you're going to be running any tests with JUnit. And here are a list of annotations that you can use in your code. The before class runs once before any of the test methods in the class, and after class runs once after all the tests in the class have been run, and then the before run before the test, and then the after just runs after the test, and the test is the actual test method to run. And I have an example of this on NetBeans. So you can see I have my class account here. Just a basic program that gets the balance after you withdraw or deposit an amount. And scroll down here, you can see here's the test. And you can, as I was talking about earlier, the before class gives the balance before it is run. And then the test, these are the tests. This is the test balance, which is when you run it, it gives 100 because that's what was input in the before class. And the test withdrawal is here. And so it tests with 20. As you can see down here, it has 80 in the withdrawal. So 80 minus 20 is, or 100 minus 20 is 80. And here is another withdrawal, which is 30 and 70 here. And then the deposit is here. And there's two deposits, 10 and 20, which would be 30, which is 130 here. So that is a description of annotations with some code that I actually found on the internet. And I have the sources a little later. And this is the next thing I want to talk about is assertions. And you can see that there are many kinds of assertions you could use in your code to test different aspects of your code. The assert equals, the assert true, the assert false, the assert not null, and the assert null. And these are my references. So that is what I have on JUnit.